Stir fry is a quick and easy way to make a tasty meal with just a few ingredients. Two simple favorites, beef with onion and beef with broccoli, are delicious, fast to make, and perfect for any meal. Whether you want something savory or a bit more fresh and crunchy, these dishes are perfect for any day of the week. Just a few fresh ingredients needed: small onion, ginger, garlic, and green onion, light soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, cornstarch, paprika, white pepper, cooking wine, and vegetable oil. Few more ingredients: light soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, paprika, white pepper, cooking wine, cornstarch, and vegetable oil. Let it marinate for 1 hour. Caramelized onions with salt. Dark soy sauce for some color. Light soy, some fresh ingredients: garlic, ginger, green onion, carrot, and broccoli. Dark soy sauce for some color. Blanch broccoli for a few seconds because it gives it that fresh green color. Bit of cornstarch to thicken things up. Light soy. Stir-fry dishes are a quick, simple, and delicious way to enjoy a hearty meal packed with flavor. Two classic variations, beef and onion, and beef and broccoli, stand out for their ease of preparation and satisfying taste. Whether you're in the mood for the sweet-savory combo of caramelized onions with tender beef, or the fresh crunch of broccoli paired with a rich soy-based sauce, these stir-fries are perfect for busy weeknights or casual dinners. With just a few ingredients and minimal cooking time, anyone can whip up these crowd-pleasing dishes in no time. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.